This cocktail is so good it has been around for 123 years. This is the Clover Club. Welcome everybody, my name is the Rusty Bartender and we are making our way through all 125 drinks in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. Welcome. So as I said, this cocktail has been around for 123 years and over the years it's had a couple of revisions, updates and palates and tastes obviously. In 2007 it was brought back to life by Julie Rayner at her bar, which was also called the Clover Club. If you dive deep on the internet, you can find a lot of recipes for the Clover Club. Some of them don't even have raspberry syrup in them. Some of them don't include the vermouth, which is in this recipe. But each to their own, I suppose. So this recipe calls for 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of a London dry gin. We're using Tanqueray today. We're then adding 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of a dry vermouth. Just using Dolin today, or Dolin, whatever way you want to pronounce it, it's up to you. We're then going to go 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. That was not a particularly juicy lemon by any stretch of the imagination. Half an ounce. And this is what gives the cocktail a lot of flavour. This is a freshly made raspberry syrup. I'll post the link in the description for the recipe. So 15 mils or 1/2 ounce. I said I'll post the link in the description. I'm just going to post the recipe in the description. Then we're going to go 1/2 ounce of egg white. I'm not going to post me ever cracking an egg white into this because it's embarrassing. Then you want to give this a dry shake because you want to get that egg white nice and frothy. You know what I'm saying? Oh Jesus Christ. Always make sure your lid's on properly in your cocktail shaker or that will happen. A bit of a mess. Especially when you dry shake. Because everything expands and wants to explode. Here. There's no problem. Anyway, nice and frothy. We're then going to add ice. Give this another little shake for about 15 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please. I don't know about anybody else, but as you get older, especially me, I'm not fit anymore, my boobies kinda just go like that when I'm shaking now. That's embarrassing. That's what you call dad life. Okay, we are going to double strain this into a chilled coupe. Look at the colour of that. I'm just going to garnish this with some fresh raspberries. And there we go, folks. The Clover Club. I've had a few of these in my time. Essentially, they're just like a gin sour with some raspberry flavour in it. But I've never had one with the addition of the vermouth. And you know what? It gives it a little something else. A little bit more botanicals coming through. Anyway, if you've got to the end of this video, cheers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.